Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model this bracelet in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. First, draw a polyline and then create a helix around it. The number of turns and the radius of the helix can be adjusted to achieve different designs. Next, draw a circle and use the Flow Along Curve command to map the helix onto the circle, creating the bracelet shape. Apply the pipe command to give the curve thickness. Then, use the Create UV Curves command to extract the surface's UV boundaries and generate a flat reference for creating the pattern. Create a surface and use the Contour command to generate a pattern. Feel free to experiment with different contour settings to create your own unique design. To apply the pattern to the bracelet, use the Flow Along Surface command. Finally, use the MultiPipe command to create the finished bracelet and achieve a smooth, professional result. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. See you in the next tutorial.